A quality smart light bulb starter kit can make everyday tasks significantly easier while saving time. These systems help control lighting through apps and schedules, improving comfort and efficiency. Options exist with different features and price points to match various needs and budgets. Choices are evaluated based on features, ease of use, performance, and value. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 6. This bulb focuses on straightforward Wi-Fi control through your existing smart home setup. It lets you manage lighting from your phone and use voice commands with compatible devices, which can simplify daily routines. The design emphasizes easy installation in standard fixtures and adjustable for different activities. It suits people who want basic smart functions without complex configuration steps. Firmware updates and dedicated assistance aim to support long-term use. Strong seller metrics, clear installation guidance, and flexible shipping options add practical value, helping you move forward with a solid choice for connected lighting. Number 5. Built with durability in mind, this kit focuses on stable local control from day one. It contains smart E26 bulbs and a Hue bridge that connects to your router, so commands do not rely only on cloud Wi-Fi. Strong local setup helps scenes and automation work even if internet drops. Color temperature and hues are adjustable for different activities or schedules, fitting many room types. Because it uses a mature hub, integration with major voice platforms is common, and updates have lasted across years. If you want a straightforward way to try multiple rooms without new wiring, this starter can simplify planning and future expansion. Number 4. For those who want effortless control, this Linkind Smart Bulb Kit is designed as a straightforward upgrade to everyday lighting. It lets you turn lights on or off and set schedules directly from your phone, which suits busy households that want simple routines. The package offers a 4-pack or 6-pack, helping cover multiple rooms without switching between apps. It works with common smart home platforms, so installation usually does not require an expert. This model earns attention because it combines easy setup, broad compatibility, and flexible multi-pack choices for anyone easing into smart lighting. Number 3. This kit gets you a bridge plus 4 color changing bulbs in one simple package. The included Hue bridge handles the communication, so your bulbs work reliably as a group. You choose colors and expert scenes from the app to match different activities or times of day. It suits beginners who want a straightforward, guided setup without searching for extra hubs. By bundling core components, this option earns a spot when you want an organized way to explore color lighting without complicated installation. Number 2. This kit focuses on design simplicity for US smart lighting, using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Unlike some hubs, these bulbs respond through app or voice commands, so physical dimmer switches are not required. Clear dual-band router guidance makes setup straightforward, avoiding confusing network steps. Remote control and dimming help create different moods for movie nights or relaxation without buying extra switches. If anything goes wrong, the seller handles shipping reliably and offers responsive support. This product suits renters or homeowners wanting easier control, personalized ambience, and straightforward installation without complex wiring or extra equipment. Number 1. This option focuses on straightforward smart bulbs that adapt to your existing routines. It provides basic smart control without complicated installation, using your current fixtures. You get app and voice management, making it simple to turn on lights from your couch or bed. The system supports Alexa and Google Home, so it fits most common setups. With 16 million colors and 54 preset scenes, it helps set different moods for reading, relaxing, or working. If you want easy, low-effort smart lighting that blends in, this kit targets everyday use cases. These smart bulb options each offer a different balance of color and energy savings. Budget-focused buyers, performance-focused buyers, and newcomers will find different matches here. Compare features like color range, level, and compatibility carefully. Hopefully this guide helped narrow down the options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.